Fall, people love fall.
It's my favorite season.
It's not a competition.
My favorite season that I'm voting for in America's next top season is fall.
People that love fall, they go crazy for the foliage. They're like, oh, the foliage! Let's drive by the foliage! It's so beautiful the way the leaves die. They're so pretty right before they fall to their death. We think it's beautiful. It's the leaves' hospice. It also helps that the leaves can't talk. If they could talk, they'd be like, ah!